system ng Linux Mint, and eto na yung welcome message ng Linux Mint sa atin. So welcome to your new operating system. This welcome screen will guide you through your first steps, show you how to find help and where to get more information about Linux Mint. So let's go. So yan, check lang natin yung show this dialog at startup. So andyan yung ilang mga guide niya, like yung desktop colors, system snapshots, and driver manager, and update manager, the system settings, software manager, and even yung firewall. So desktop colors is very basic lang, system snapshot kung gusto nyo matutunan yan, and driver manager, try lang natin i-launch yung driver manager, and then looking for drivers. So additional